Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious looking soup known as Achi soup or Ofashi in Igbo language. So to start, we start by cooking the meats first. So I have cooked my meat for about 45 minutes or so and it's ready. So I'm using different type of meat here. I have shake, which is regular tribe. I have smoked turkey. I have some beef and then stock fish. I'm using strong stock fish. That's why I had to cook it together with the meat. So season the meat properly and then cook it. So next I'm going to go in with water enough to cook this soup. Okay, if you want your soup lighter, you add more water. If you want it thicker, you add little water depending the amount of achi you'll be using as thickener. So next I'm going to be adding some palm oil, about a 1 cooking spoon of palm oil. I didn't measure it, I just used my eye. I don't like too much palm oil in my food. So I'm going to cover this and bring it to a boil. So when it starts boiling like this, as you can see, it's boiling. I'm going to go in with the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm adding some smoked catfish, washed and deboned. Then go in with some smoked shrimp, some ground crayfish, about 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish. You can use any amount you like. Then go in with some green habanero pepper, red ground hot pepper, ground bonga fish powder. Then I'm gonna give it a little stir to make sure all the ingredients incorporate properly. So next I'm going to add the achi powder. Yeah, so that's my ground achi powder. So I'm going to give it a good stir. When you add your achi, stir it properly so that it doesn't form lumps in your soup. So mix it well like I'm doing so. So next I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see the soup is boiling. So next I'm going to go in with ogiri Igbo, that is fermented castor seed. Yeah, fermented castor seed. You can also call it fermented melon or fermented sesame. They use different things to make this ogiri Igbo, so don't get me wrong, okay? Then next I go in with some seasoning cubes. Then give it a good stir so that the ingredients will mix properly. Look at the consistency. Just take a look. So this is enough for me. Like I said earlier, if you want it thicker, you add more achi. If you want it lighter, you add more water. So here is the vegetable I will be using in this soup. This is called Ukazi leaf. So I'll be using some dried Ukazi leaf. I'm gonna hydrate it, wash it with salt, properly rinse it before adding it to the soup. So here is the washed Ukazi leaf going into the soup pot. as you can see. You can use any type of vegetable you want. You can use oha, you can use uziza, you can use bitter leaf, you can use ogo. Use any kind of vegetable you prefer. I'm going to also add some blanched kale. It's optional, you don't have to do this, okay? It's optional. I just want to add more vegetable to the soup, so I have to add some blanched kale that I have already. So give it a good stir and cover this and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes more. So after about 2 minutes, the soup is ready. As you can see, our Achi soup is ready. It's ready to serve. So serve your soup. You can enjoy this soup like so. If you want to be licking it, lick it. It's so delicious. You can also enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. I handled it with some pounded yam. Yeah, it's so delicious. It goes well with pounded yam. Remember, you can eat it with cassava fufu. You can eat it with oat fufu. You can eat it with gari. Okay? Enjoy your soup. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.